All I'm finishing up here is taping off the edge, and then we are going to get started with texture medium. So I've already got some on a plate. I'm gonna grab a little trowel here. I am going to trowel over the existing pattern and everything. I did clean off the surface. I lightly sanded it first. All I'm gonna do is just take this and roll it right through that texture. I'm gonna keep my eye on the edge and the edge of the table so that I can try to make sure that I am rolling in a straight line. Okay, so the texture medium was completely dry. Took this outside and sanded it down. Now we're ready for a layer of paint. Went ahead and put some out. We are going to be using this wonderful product by Modern Masters. It is part of their metallic paint collection and the color is pewter. We're gonna let this dry. We'll critique it after the first layer dries and see if we need a second layer. The pewter by Modern Masters has dried completely. I'm using glazing medium along with a colorant, and I'm going to apply the glaze to the surface so it's all mixed up. So I use what's called a chip brush, and I am just going to apply the glaze to the surface. So I'm basically just gonna wipe back and forth and create like a striate finish. So I'm just gonna move over to a clean section and then come back and maybe wipe off just one more time. Then you're gonna allow this to sit at least overnight for this to completely dry. And when you're doing a tabletop, I sometimes will sand down a little bit more just so that it's level, okay, and that you can use this as a table. This is my serving tray. I love to use these and I line them with press and seal. They make such a great paint palette. So once again, thank you so much for joining me here on Hometalk and hanging out with me during this fun project. Have a great day.